Hello everyone, welcome once again to Learn Mathematics. This is Rekha Chhabra, your maths teacher. Students, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel and keep watching my YouTube videos.
We were doing chapter number 6, linear inequalities, in which we have already learned what is the meaning of inequations, types of inequalities, and how to solve theoretically, and how to plot the linear inequalities in one variable on number line. So today, let's understand how to solve it graphically. What is the graphical solution of linear inequations and how we solve it, how we show it. So the graphical solution involves these steps. First of all, replace the inequality sign given in the inequation by equal to sign. And let's make it as linear equation in two variable. I think everybody is well aware how to present linear equation in two variable on the graph. What we have to do then? We have to make a solution table as you used to do in 9th standard, in 10th standard. Make a solution table and plot the points on the graph and make a straight line. Then if the given inequality involves equal to sign, then we have to make a thick line. If it is strict inequality, means no equal to sign, then please make a dotted line. After that, what we have to do, the line that we will draw will definitely divide the given plane, Cartesian plane, into two half planes or regions. Now, in order to identify which region is the solution set, what we have to do, we have to take any one point, any random point, and we have to plot it. It will be in either of the regions. Now, if the point satisfies the given inequation, then the region where the point lies is the desired region. Otherwise, the other region is the desired region. So, accordingly, we will shade the relevant region. The very important thing is, if the graph of the corresponding equation does not pass through origin, then the best point to take and do the testing is the origin. That means 0, 0 is the most convenient point to select. Now let's understand the same thing with the help of one example. Let's take this inequality x plus 2y greater than 2. First thing, remove this inequality and consider it as an equation in two variable. Make a solution table. Plot these 2 points on the graph and draw a straight line. This is a strict inequality. There is no equal to sign. It means we will make a dotted line. Now, look at the graph. Now, this line is not passing through origin. So, let's take the origin 0, 0 and let's do the testing in given in equation. Put the value of x and y as 0, 0. So, 0 plus 0 is greater than 2. It means it is false. If it is false, so the point that we have taken means 0, 0, where that point lies is not the required region and the other portion is the required region. So we will shade the other portion. So all the points in the shaded region satisfy the given inequation and form the solution set. Now let's discuss few questions of exercise 6.2. It's very simple and easy exercise, students. Please understand and then please try remaining questions yourself. Question number 1. Here x plus y is less than 5. Very simple. Let's consider it as linear equation in two variable x plus y equal to 5. Make a solution table. I would suggest you to at least take 2 to 3 points. Students, you have already made a lot of graphs. You have plotted these linear equations on the graph in class 9th and in class 10th as well. So it would be better if you take 3 points, but if you are able to make a proper straight line by taking 2 points also, then it is fine. So we have made this solution table. Plot these points on the graph and now look at the inequality. There is no equal sign involved. So it means we have to make a dotted line. We will not make the thick line. Now this line is not passing through origin. So let's take the origin 0, 0 and let's do the testing. 0 plus 0 is less than 5. 0 less than 5, which is true. So it means where 0, 0 lies is the required region. Means this side, left side, this side is the required region and this upper side is not the required region. Next question, question number 4. Y plus 8 is greater than equal to 2x. One thing is for sure, equal. So it means we will make a thick line, right? So first of all, let's draw the graph of this line. Let's write it as linear equation in two variables. Let's make a solution table. If x is 0, so y is minus 8. And if y is 0, so x is 4. So let's make this straight line. Now again, the line is not passing through origin. First of all, we'll make a thick line because here equal sign is also involved. 0, 0, origin is not on the line. So definitely this is the best point to do the testing. So let's do the testing at 0, 0. Put the value of x and y as 0, 0. So what are we getting? 8 is greater than equal to 0, which is true. 8 is greater than equal to 0. So it means where origin 0, 0 lies is the required region and the other portion is not the required region. So we will shade accordingly. Next is 3x plus 2y greater than equal to minus 6. Consider it as linear equation in two variable. Minus 3x plus 2y equal to minus 6. Make a solution table. If x is 0, so y is minus 3. If y is 0, so x is 2. Draw these points, plot these points on the graph and make a line. Here again equal sign involved, so it means we will make a thick line. Now put the values of x and y as 0, 0. So 0 is greater than equal to minus 6, which is again true, right? So where 0, 0 lies, is the required region and the other side is not the required region. Question number 10. Here x is greater than minus 3. So first of all, consider it as equation. X is equal to minus 3. And we know very well how to make the graph of this. X is equal to minus 3. Y can have any value. You take any value because if we try to write this thing in two variable, it will be x plus 0 y equal to minus 3. So whatever value we take for y, it does not matter.
So when we will plot these points on the graph will be somewhat like this, right? Now again the line is not passing through origin, so origin is the best point to do the testing. We'll put the value of x and y as 0, 0. Y is anyways not involved in the given inequality. So x is greater than minus 3, it means 0 is greater than minus 3, which is true. So it means where origin lies means on the right hand side is the required region. And here see students, we have made the dotted line because again here inequality equal to sign was not given. So that's why we have made the dotted line. So I hope you must have understood how to make these graphs and how to represent, how to solve these given inequalities graphically. I would suggest you to please try remaining questions yourself. Thank you very much, students.